Hi, my name is Tim with OS College. This video is about creating new documents in Google applications. And we're going to be looking at creating a new document from the document you're working in. So I've got a document open here in Google Docs, and to create a new document, simply click the File menu, then highlight the new submenu, and it appears with a list of different document types. You've got basically 5 of them, and then from template, which allows you to create a new document based on the template. I'll cover that more in depth in another video. But you have document on top, and the reason it's on top is because this list is being shown in a Google Docs document. If I create a new spreadsheet, and went to the File menu, and New, Spreadsheet would be on the top. So let's go back to the document here, and so a new document, a new spreadsheet, a new presentation, and a new drawing. Each one of these has a file menu with a new submenu. Form does not have a file menu. So simply click one of these from the new submenu of any of these 4 applications, and you will be able to create a new document in the chosen document type. And to save the document, either add some content to it or click the title of it and give it a new title. It will be saved in the document in the folder you are in your Google Drive. And if you have a shared folder open, the document by default will be shared with those who you shared the folder with. This video has been about creating a new document in a Google Office application, from a Google Office application. You can check out other videos about Google's Office Suite as well as other Office applications on the OS College YouTube channel. Click subscribe, and then to receive future notifications about videos, articles, and web pages are also available on the OS College website. And OS College also has a Facebook page as well as pages for other social media sites. Thank you for watching.